Now, let's take a look at how we configure macros. To configure macros, we need to go to the interface of configuration and click Macro. Under the domain object, we will see all the macros that have been created. First, let me introduce automatic rules, because when configuring detection tools, you may have configured some macros at the same time. For example, this macro rule is bound to a motion detection tool. When the motion is detected in the video channel, Lumicenter will start recording this video channel to Alice Blue storage archive. And now, if you go to Analytics and you select a motion detection tool, you will find the place where this macro has been configured. The working mode is always, which means that this macro is running 24/7. These are the parameters of this automatic macro rule. This macro rule will be displayed under the domain object in automatic rules. Now, let me introduce how to configure an event rule. To configure an event rule, click Create and click the newly created macro to configure it. First, we can give a name to this macro. For example, I would like to name it arm. And the working mode is always, never, or I can select a template from the drop-down menu. In our case, let's just use always. And now for starting conditions, I can choose anything as long as it is within Lumicenter. For example, I will just choose arm a video channel. Let's arm the third video channel, road. This is the starting condition. And now we should configure the action which we would like Lumicenter to take. By default, the action is recording related. If you want Lumicenter to take other actions, just click the X icon to remove the action and click the plus button and select from the drop-down menu. For example, I would like Lumicenter to initiate an alarm if I click arm with the road video channel. And for the camera to initiate an alarm, I would like Lumicenter to alarm the exact video channel, which is road, so I just select this channel and click Apply. Now this macro has been created. So this is basically how you create an event rule. Now let's take a look at it. Let's go to Layouts interface and manually arm this video channel just to see if we can receive an alarm. Click the camera button and click arm. So now we have armed this video channel, and as we have programmed, Lumicenter has sent an alarm of this video channel for us so that we can deal with it. Last but not least is cycle rules. Click Create to set up a macro. Let's name the macro. I create a macro so that Lumicenter can send a notification to the user who is sitting in front of the monitor to let them stand up and have a relax for a better health. I would like the user to get the notification every single hour. Click the plus button and select the type of notification. Insert the title. And select to whom will Lumicenter send this notification. I would select anyone within the domain object. Click Apply. So now Lumicenter will send a notification to the user every single hour. As you can see here, we have a random button. If I check this random button, Nomi Center will do this every 1 hour, but the notification is sent in any time randomly within the 1 hour time circle. That is the difference. This is basically how you set up a macro.